Do you want 4% cashback on Booking.com? And 3% on IKEA? And even up to 6.5% for ASOS? You can achieve this by using cashback websites. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say as financial advice. All videos at my channel only explain the journey I am making and for educational purposes only. Hello and welcome back to Crypto and Cashback. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cashback websites and how they can actually put some money back in your pocket while you shop online. If you've ever wondered how these platforms work, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. There are a lot of different cashback websites you can choose from, but it depends on the country you're living. Today we look at Topcashback.com and CashbackXL. The last one is a Dutch website and the one I normally use. I will add links to different cashback websites in the description of the video. Please use this link when signing up for a cashback website. You will help this channel a lot when you use the links in the description. Let me first explain how these cashback websites in general work, before we look at Topcashback and CashbackXL. Cashback websites are platforms that offer consumers a way to earn a percentage of their online purchases back as cash rewards. The concept behind these websites is to provide users with an incentive to shop through their platform, thereby earning a portion of the commission that the website receives from the retailers for referring customers. You can start earning cashback following the following steps. 1. Registration for a cashback website. To get started, you need to sign up and create an account on the cashback website. This usually requires providing some basic personal information. 2. Browsing retailers. Once registered, you can browse through the list of retailers partnered with the cashback website. These retailers could range from online stores selling clothing and electronics to travel and hotel booking platforms. 3. Clicking through. When you decide to make a purchase, you need to access the retailer's website by clicking on a link provided on the cashback website. This link contains tracking information that lets the cashback website know that the user came through their platform. 4. Shopping. You then shop on the retailer's website as you normally would, adding items to your cart and making purchases. 5. Cashback calculation. The retailer pays the cashback website a commission for driving customers to their platform. The cashback website then calculates a percentage of the purchase amount that they can offer as cashback to you. This percentage varies based on the retailer and the specific offer at the time. 6. Processing and payment. Once the purchase is confirmed and the retailer pays the commission, the cashback website credits your account with the calculated cashback amount. This money typically remains in your cashback account until it reaches a certain payout threshold. Some cashbacks take some time to be confirmed. When you use, for example, CashbackXL for Booking.com, it can take up to 2 months before the cashback is approved. 7. Payout options. You can choose from various payout options, such as receiving the cashback through PayPal, bank transfer, gift cards, or other methods, depending on the cashback website's policies. 8. Payout timing. Cashback websites usually have specific payout schedules, which could be monthly, quarterly, or according to other predefined timeframes. This allows time for the cashback to be confirmed and processed. It's really that easy. You can start earning cashback today just by spending your money as you usually do. Let's now have a look at the Topcashback and CashbackXL websites. When you go to the Topcashback website, it's really easy to sign up. Just fill your email address and fill in the password you want to use. After that, you will receive an activation link. Click the link and you're ready to start. I am now logged into my test account of Topcashback. At the main page you see the latest offers and news. From here you can browse the different categories. You can go, for example, to travel and then select all travel. From here you can select the company you want. We now choose for Booking.com. From here you can go to the Booking.com website, log in into your account and book your stay as you normally do. The most important thing is that you visit the website from the link in Topcashback website. You have to do that to get your cashback. You can browse through all the different categories and look for the companies you prefer. In this list you can see fashion companies like Adidas with up to 10% cashback, Tommy Hilfiger 2% and Foot Locker up to 4% cashback. Another option is searching for your retailer and find out if it's also possible to get cashback for that retailer. I will now search for Decathlon and there you go, up to 8% cashback. From here you click the link and you do your shopping like you normally do. When you finished your purchase you will see this in your account when you click on Earnings. First it will be pending and after some time it will be confirmed. After that your cashback can be claimed. There are several payout options. You can choose for a virtual card or a gift card from a retailer you like. When you choose for a virtual or a gift card you will receive 1% to 5% bonus. You can also choose to pay out your cashback earnings by PayPal or by bank transfer. We will now go to the CashbackXL website. This is the one I normally use because it's a Dutch cashback website with a lot of retailers from the Netherlands. I will log in there with my active account, so that you also can see the cashback I earned. Now let's have a look at the CashbackXL website. This website is in Dutch, but it works just like Topcashback, and because I use this website the most, you can also see the cashbacks I earned. Registration is very easy. Fill your email address and your password and you will receive the activation link. After clicking this link you're ready to go and earn cashback. I am logged into my account. From the main page you can browse the different retailers. So from here you can choose, for example, hotel and holiday. You can scroll down and you see all different companies with the different cashback percentages. Let's click Booking.com, which brings you to this page. From this page you click the link, Shop and get cashback. This brings you to the Booking.com website and you can log in there and book your holiday as you normally do. Let's go to electronic equipment, and we choose for example Bol.com. For this retailer you first have to buy a gift card. So what you do then is first determine the amount you need for your purchase. You buy the gift card for the exact amount you're gonna spend at the CashbackXL website, which gives you 4% cashback. Go to the website of the retailer and fill in the gift card number. It's really that easy. Shop as you normally do and earn money. When we go the My Account page you can see the total amount you earned by using CashbackXL. When you go to My Cashbacks, you can see an overview of all the cashback you earned from each retailer. Some of them are small amounts and other ones are bigger amounts. When you go to My Payments you can see I have €15.34 available. I can choose if I want to receive this money by bank transfer or I will want gift cards for this. Bank transfers are done once a month. When you choose for payout by gift cards you can do this immediately and you get again a percentage of cashback. Especially the cashbacks from Booking.com can give you a lot of cashback. But also if you are shopping online for a new energy supplier like Eneco or a new internet provider like KPN or Ziggo, then this website can give you a lot of cashback. When you choose for energy, you can see the list of companies and the cashback. When you switch to Eneco for example you get up to €102 cashback or Vattenfall up to €90. So start searching for the best cashback website in your country. In the Netherlands I think this is CashbackXL. For the UK and the US I heard this is Topcashback. I will leave different links to Cashback websites in the description of this video. If you want to sign up I ask you to use the link in the description. I will receive a small bonus for this which enables me to create videos like this and share this with you. This brings us to the end of this cashback video. If you like this video then please hit the like button, and if don't want to miss any cashback videos then you can subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions then add this to the comments of this video.